right, we are at day 3 of the Dry Creek Bed hangover party. And I have to tell you, this hangover cure I really wanted to skip, but ugh, I'm gross just thinking about it. And number 2, my husband's going to be complaining the house smells like fish for like hours. So this lovely trick comes from Germany, and it is to take, okay, my herring just fell apart, so that is not my fault. So we'll just get a little piece of herring, actual herring. Here's my little scoopy thing. Ugh. An onion, and a gherkin. Now I got sweet gherkins. I have no idea if they're the same as regular gherkins. All right, and then you take a bite. Wish me luck. All right, the good news is that I have a really strong stomach, so I'm totally not going to throw up. The bad news is I don't think my husband's ever going to kiss me again after this combination. But, yeah, there you go, Germany. Happy hangover.